Hey guys, welcome back. On this video, we're gonna show you how you can easily make some of our favorite traditional Japanese New Year's dishes. I cannot believe how fast time flew by this year.
I think so too.
Right? I mean, we had a really busy year, but I'm still shocked that it's already December. I feel like only 6 months had passed.
Time flies like an arrow.
Time flies like an arrow. Oh my god, where did you learn that? So that means Christmas is right around the corner, and also New Year's is right around the corner. That's the most important holiday for Japanese people. So today we want to show you guys how you can make some traditional New Year's dishes very simply by using the products in our Holiday Care Package 2023. As always, there's a booklet that tells you what and where the products come from, and also includes some simple recipes using the products in the box. Not only do you get a handful of recipes in this booklet, you'll get recipes from this video today, as well as recipes from your video that you recently made.
Yes, Kantanfood by Satoshi. Right. I am showing 9 recipes.
9?
Yes, 9 recipes. Those are very simple.
Okay, wow. So you have a whole bunch of recipes to use with these products. Left a link in the description below this box for all those videos. So this time we've included mentsuyu, hon wasabi, yuba soup, miso powder, tororo kombu, gettocha, and imo yokan.
So first we are going to show you how to make toshikoshi soba.
Yes.
Toshikoshi soba is a noodle dish we eat in New Year's Eve. In my hometown, we eat toshikoshi soba cold.
Okay, in my household we usually eat it warm. So obviously you're gonna make it two types.
Two
right?
types, yes.
2 types today, all right. Either way, you can use the mentsuyu we've included in the box to make the soups. This brand is really good. It's all natural and tastes really good.
This is the soba buckwheat noodles. If you cannot find this soba noodles in your area, you can find in Kokoro Care website. So first, cold soba noodles, the dipping type. First, pour 2 tablespoons of mentsuyu and 2 tablespoons of water. So this is the dipping soup, and I like to eat soba with wasabi. I like this wasabi aroma. Take some wasabi and put on noodles, dip in soup, and eat it. And hot soba noodles, I pour 3 tablespoons of mentsuyu and 1 US cup of hot water, and put noodles, and we like tempura, shrimp tempura, and kombu seaweed. This is included in our package. Green onion. Yes, here is our toshikoshi soba.
Yes, thank you so much for making this. It feels like it's some like December 31st, like New Year's Eve right now. We're eating toshikoshi soba. It's kind of weird. But anyway, yeah. Let's eat. Itadakimasu.
Let's eat.
Itadakimasu. Isn't it interesting how like we have, I mean, we're both Japanese, but we eat our toshikoshi soba differently? Itadakimasu. Delicious. Delicious. I like how easy it is to make the soup.
Yes.
With the mentsuyu.
Yes.
Actually, my mother, that's how she makes her soup. You know, some people like to make it from scratch, and you know, that's cool. But if you don't have time and you want a good soup base, mentsuyu is the way to go. And this tororo kombu, the seaweed, is so delicious. Still, my favorite way of eating this tororo kombu is on top of white rice. That's my favorite way to eat it.
And I love this wasabi. This wasabi is a real wasabi.
So it's a lot more flavorful, and it's not as strong, I think. You know,
it has
sweetness. Yeah, I was gonna say
natural sweetness. In some prefecture, they have a tradition to drink tea in the New Year's morning.
Some places like Kyoto, for example, they add 1 umeboshi into their tea. But we thought, you know, like it would be interesting to introduce you guys to a new tea that we love. It's gettocha, or shell ginger tea from Okinawa. We had this tea when we had breakfast at that traditional Okinawan restaurant, and it was so good. Like, it was the first time I actually had it, and I thought it was so aromatic, and it just relaxed me so much. But we think this would be perfect. First thing you drink in the morning when you wake up on New Year's Day. So cheers. It's so good. It's so different from your typical Japanese green tea.
It's very herbal. It's like a ginger, a little bit like
Yeah,
ginger.
it's like a little bit gingery, but different. Not
It's
your
different.
typical ginger flavor.
First thing most of Japanese eat in the New Year's Day is ozoni.
Yes, like my day does not get started without ozoni, which is mochi soup. New Year's mochi soup is delicious.
Ozoni has a variation depend on the region. In my hometown, it's with soy sauce base, the lots of ingredients. Soup.
Right. That's true. And then my household, I'm from Shizuoka Prefecture, and it's fairly simple. It's actually probably like the simplest ozoni in the entire country. It's just spinach and mochi. I mean, it's very, very simple. One of my favorite instant soup is this yuba soup. It's instant. And there are 4 packs in here, so you can enjoy it with your entire family. You can make a very simple ozoni using one of this packet. Just pour some hot water into a bowl with this, and then add cooked mochi, and you have yourself a bowl of ozoni.
Yes.
Super simple and delicious.
Yes, and this one is using yuzu. Yuzu.
Oh yes.
Yes, it's
You always
very
have yuzu.
good. Very good for New Year's Day.
That's right.
It's
That is,
very aromatic.
Aroma of New Year's Day.
Yes, yes. 明けましておめでとうございます。
Not yet.
Not yet.
It's not New Year's Day yet. いただきます.
いただきます。
Smells so good.
This aroma, yuzu aroma is so good.
Oh yeah.
And this soup matches with this mochi.
It does actually. It really does. Like I think we should just have this year. I don't know. It's pretty good, with this yuzu yuba
Yuzu
soup.
yuba soup. Yeah.
So for the rest of the day, most people will eat osechi, which is like a variety of New Year's dishes, which is very time consuming to make, elaborate, and if you buy it, it's very expensive here in Japan. So we're not covering that on this video. But another thing that we eat all day long on New Year's Day is mochi. Yes. And we eat it differently.
My favorite way is eating with natto. Natto mochi.
Yes, it's good. I like natto too, but I guess my tradition is to eat it with soy sauce and then wrap nori around it. I also like kinako mochi. But we found a new way to use our miso, our powdered miso.
Powdered miso.
That's included in the care package.
Yes.
You can literally use this powder on so many things. You can sprinkle it on cheese, salad, steak, fish, and mochi. Yeah, so all you have to do is boil some mochi. We found that boiled mochi is the best because it's a little bit moist and watery, and then you sprinkle on some of this miso powder, and it's really good. It's really simple but delicious. いただきます。
いただきます。
That's really good. The very soft mochi goes so well with the miso. They do have miso dango, so it kind of reminds me of
That's
that.
true. That's true.
But this also has a little bit of yuzu. Well, to mix it a very New Year's Day.
Very New Year's Day.
Finally, something I enjoy during New Year's Day is traditional Japanese sweets. For example, like ryokan. I always have to have something during the day because it's a very special day, which is why we've included the imo ryokan from Kawagoe. Kawagoe is famous for their sweet potatoes, and whenever we go to Kawagoe, I always have to pick some up to take home with me. So I'm so happy that we got to include this in this care package. So there you have it, guys. Simple to make New Year's dishes using products from our holiday care package. If you want your package by Christmas Day, make sure to order by December 10th, 2023. That is the cutoff date. But this will be sold until December 31st, 2023, or until supplies last. So make sure you click the link in the description below this video to get your holiday care package. We really, really appreciate your support, and thank you so much.
Please enjoy the rest of the year. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
And see you on next video. Bye bye!
Bye, guys!